mommies! Did you know that doctors suggest breastfeeding newborns at least up to 6 months? Yes. First Step encourages safe feeding with First Step manual breast pump. First Step manual breast pump has a soft silicone cushion that mimics a baby's suckling pattern that helps stimulate breast milk flow gently through a valve. The teat converts the bottle into a feeding bottle. You have a cap that can be used to cover the bottle and store it. First Step manual breast pump has an extra bottle to store additional breast milk. It is easy to handle and we provide an additional valve. We also provide a travel pouch. Whether you're a homemaker or a working woman, carrying a First Step breast pump is very easy and compact.